Hello, my name is Laura, and I'm going to be presenting to you water and its arrival on Earth and its necessity to life. This original picture shows the abundance of water here on Earth. More than 70% of Earth's surface consists of water. It is found in rivers, lakes, underground aquifers, ocean, icebergs, glaciers, as well as in our atmosphere. The water exists in our atmosphere as a gas. This gas coats the Earth which creates humidity. At high altitude, water droplets are suspended in air, forming clouds. Higher up above the clouds, this water freezes, then descends back down on the Earth's surface. Rocks then purify the water to be used once again. The water lubricates plate tectonics. This natural recycling of water is what has kept Earth alive for billions of years. Water is what defines our Earth. The understanding of how water works on Earth and its value to life has been studied and understood, but the mystery still remained of how water came to be on Earth. It wasn't until recently, with new technology and research in the 21st century, that the mysteries of water's arrival started coming to light. The first theory is that when Earth was created, the dust and rocks that formed Earth were bound chemically with trace amounts of water. This water was locked inside of Earth's rocks, was finally released after millions of years after the rocks finally broke down. But the amount of water this could have supplied to the Earth compared to the amount of water we have on Earth today does not make this the most plausible theory. This theory could be a part of what brought water to Earth, but scientists believe that there had to be another way larger amounts of water came to Earth. A more plausible theory is that ancient meteor shower and asteroid showers brought water to Earth. As Jupiter's orbit moves towards and away from Earth, it passed through the frost line and asteroid belt. This caused the planet to launch asteroids and comets into different directions. Some of these asteroids and comets caught Earth's gravitational pull, which caused them to collide with Earth. The impact obliterated the rock, smashing it to dust and ice to vapor. The water vapor then cooled to liquid water. Earth now claimed that water as its own. Little by little, over billions of years' time, this water vapor being released and the cooled to liquid by asteroids and comets combining created our oceans. But there would need to be an event in history to create a larger supply of these asteroids and comets' arrival to Earth. There is a theory of what event caused this, and it is called the Late Heavy Bombardment. It was believed to happen around the time of the creation of the moon. The moon has many craters along its surface, and it is believed that these were caused by a bombardment of asteroids and comets colliding with its surface. It is believed that during this bombardment, the Earth was also struck with a large amount of asteroids and comets. It was originally believed that comets were the main carriers of water to Earth. This was because comets consist of mainly ice, frozen water. But now scientists believe it is actually the asteroid that brought the majority of water. This is because of the asteroid and comet fingerprint, or what makes up the asteroid and comet. The asteroid's water makeup matches that of Earth's water makeup. Although it is still believed that both asteroids and comets brought water to Earth, asteroids are the main contributor. Our planet Earth is in the Goldilocks zone of the solar system. This means that we are close enough to the sun so we are not too cold, and far away enough from the sun so we are not too hot, keeping our water in liquid form. Because of Earth's tilt on its axis at 23.5 degrees, creating small fluctuations in conditions, our water can switch between its other phases needed to recycle back into Earth. When Earth had its first rainstorm, it lasted thousands of years. This rainstorm created the first river channels, lakes, seas, and ocean. New compositions formed, creating acid rain, which ate away at the rocks and made our salty oceans. Some areas of water that don't see the sun due to Earth's tilt, like the North and South Pole, froze over, creating the glaciers and icebergs. Other parts of the Earth have perfect conditions where the sun is high in the sky, creating the tropics abundant with clouds and humidity. The temperature controls the climate and weather, which impacts our water flow cycle and gives life to Earth. Our Earth's rocks tell the stories of our planet's phases of water, what they historically look like. Unfortunately, a rock record dating back to the beginning of Earth's formation have yet to be discovered. We are on a quest to look for these records. This is a search for Earth's earliest undiscovered history. Not only will this bring vital historical mysteries to light, but the research could help for our future in combating climate change. Any new information revealed about Earth's history will help with the prediction of our Earth's future and steps that we can take to take action. Please consider investing in the past, present, and future of our Earth. All funds will go towards equipment needed for this important project, scientists and manpower, traveling, and housing. Thank you for your time and continued support.